came to Elko to help our dancers learn this. So thank you, Enrique, for helping our dancers to be able to do this. And this is a really great dance. So this is basically a competition. We're going to march them out, but you will notice that they're doing a lot with their sticks. So they're going to be doing a very specific, hand gestures with their stick, where they have to click in a certain way in front and in the back. And then once we get them set up, they're going to lay their sticks on the ground in a cross, and they're going to dance around the sticks and hopefully not knock their sticks out. Whoever does, they're going to have to stop. Whoever's remaining is the champion.
That was really good.
Encourage these guys because they're competing. And to make it a little more interesting, each time I start the next round for the song, I'm going to pick up speed. So let's see who can keep up.
Agnieszka Motyliak. Anaya Reba. Motyliak, irabasten du.